Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 apps you should download on your Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, you'll need to be logged into your Google Play Store, and from here you can write any of the names and just download these apps. So now let's move to the apps. Here they are. There's a Caffeine, Rare and Amper. Now let me get you through all of them. So first one is Caffeine, and this app is very useful because you can change the timeout of your screen for a few more settings. So here's infinite variable 1 hour, and these 3 settings are not available in normal screen timeout. Let me show you them. Here's a maximum, which is 30 minutes. So that's very useful if you want to set your phone timeout to infinite. Now let's move to the next app, which is Rare. And in this app you'll be able to, first let's grant it all file access like this, and by using this app you'll be able to pack or create RAR and zip files, so you can easily store your files in this archives, and you can also unpack them by using this app. So that's very handy. Let's just take one picture and let me show you how to pack them. Now Rare, we can move to DCIM, camera. Here's one picture. I'm gonna press on this thing right here and click on the plus button. Like this. Now we can pick our name for the Rare. Let's call it some random letters. Choose the extension, so you can pick it to be Rare and zip. You can delete this file after archiving or create solid archive. You can also set the password for this archive, so if somebody doesn't know it, he won't be able to access it. So let's add a password like 123. Of course you can use any. You can show the password if you're not sure, and encrypt the file names as well, so that way nobody will be even able to open this Rare file without knowing this password. Now let's move to advanced. There'll be more advanced settings, and in the options there'll be more options. Here you can leave any comment about this archive. Now let's create one. So we just created this Rare file, and now let's say we want to unpack it, so we want to enter it. Now we need to put our password, because we enabled to encrypt the file names, so we can't even access the names. Now let's enter this Rare file, click on the file that we want to unpack and press the arrow pointing up. Now let's unpack this file. You can change any of the settings, but it's not necessary. So let's click OK, and here's a picture. So that's the second app. Now let's move to the third one, which is Amper, and that app is all about your battery and keeping your battery nice and safe. So here you'll be able to see a lot of statistics about your battery, which are not available without this app. So you can see temperature, voltage, its manufacturer, the level, percentage of the battery, the health, all kinds of stuff like this. It's very useful if you want to keep your phone safe and always know what's happening, or if the worst case your phone starts to heat up. I would recommend checking this app because you can see the temperature of the battery, and that may save your phone. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.